So I want to talk about self-confidence real quick because I've had a conversation not long ago where the question was asked, well, what if they cheat on me? Ooh, yeah, that's a concern that I think a lot of people have is this fear of being cheated on or being left in a relationship. This is full on relationship talk right here. What if they cheat on me? Well, so what if they do? If they do, then you have to either you'll never find out or you will find out and then it ends. If you have an agreement in a relationship where you agree to be together and with nobody else and someone breaks that agreement, then the relationship is over. But to live in fear of that, not only is it a self-fulfilling prophecy, because then from there you're going to become possessive, you're going to be jealous, you're going to act stupid. None of those things are attractive, and what that's going to do is going to drive that person into someone else's arms anyway. But the real root of that issue is self-confidence. Once you realize that you're choosing to be in a relationship with someone, or hopefully you'll realize that, and you realize that they're choosing to be in a relationship with you, you have to just trust them and just allow things to be as they are. You can't worry about what's going to be, what might happen, what, on the flip side of that, like what if an asteroid hits the world tomorrow? So what are you going to do now? Run around all scared because an asteroid might hit the world tomorrow and end everything, life as we know it? No, you have to live for what's happening right now. And so if things in your relationship are good right now, then don't worry about what could be or what might be or what will be. If you trust that you are who you are, they are who they are, and you're not looking to each other to complete each other or to be happy, because again, happiness comes from within. So if you're looking to someone to complete you or to bring you happiness, you're on a track to fail anyway. Once you can become confident within yourself and realize that, hey, listen, we're two people in a relationship. Either this is going to work or it's not. But either way, I'm going to do my best. Hopefully they'll do their best and we'll work this out. You'll never live in fear of losing that person to another person. Because remember, if you lose someone to another person, that means that their connection was stronger than your connection anyway. And maybe they're supposed to be together. So I think it's kind of a silly thing to worry about, and don't get it twisted. I mean, I've been in that position many times before in the past where I'm like, oh my God, what if she cheats on me? And because I've been cheated on a whole bunch. And that's not a fun thing. It's really not. But looking back on it, I'm going, you know what? Clearly wasn't the right fit. So I'm glad that happened and that ended, because that brought me to where I am now with the person that I'm going to be with forever. So you have to just be confident in yourself. You have to know that you are who you are and you are where you are, and don't worry about the small stuff. Live for now. If you like what I'm talking about, go ahead and hit that like button. You can subscribe over here. Follow me on Instagram at @theadamkruger. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.